Hi. Jaden up inside.
Let me say hello. Let me say hello.
Probably gonna be like a private video or something.
He turned the GoPro around like, hey guys.
Just looking at the plants, you know, because just so beautiful.
Have we ever, Mama, have you ever seen the falls before?
You guys were really small when you last came here, a long time ago, babe. Kevin, let's take pictures. It was
Down here. Whoa.
Come on, go higher.
Oh, come on.
Awesome.
Just kidding.
That is beautiful.
I don't know if I'm getting it.
There's no falling falls.
I don't know if I got it, but I tried. The plants are really beautiful. Glad I'm capturing all this on camera. Very beautiful plants. We're just walking down to go to the falls or something.
Hey YouTube.
Hi.
Hey, YouTube.
Yeah. Hi. Oh, that's nice. It's pretty nice.
Yeah, you have a nice angle here, Caleb. Beautiful it is.
Puppies.
Nice, huh?
Very nice.
Yeah, beautiful.
That's cool.
I'm gonna take a picture of this. I need to take a picture of this.
Papa.
It's a great idea.
Is that Steve at the bottom?
It's very beautiful.
Yeah, that is Steve. I have my selfie stick. You want to do selfie?
Are you filming this?
Yeah. Very beautiful. Now we're at a different view.
Beautiful right here. Hey, Hubble, what was being
Right
covered?
here.
It used to be covered.
It's not. You guys can see it differently now. It's just a vlog. Trees. Why not? What?
Look on the right.
So beautiful.
What's that?
Satisfying to watch.
Ah. Right down the right.
What is? Oh, that little waterfall right there. Talking about.